Welcome back, guys. Welcome to part 4, aka the finale of corn harvest / growing season 2023. Who's ready? I know I am. Stay tuned. We got quite a bit to do, but we'll get her done. As you can see, he's filling up. About this much left here on this pass, but it should fit. That's a really nice looking ear of corn right there. This is some good corn we got growing here. Still got a decent amount left, but not as much as earlier. But yeah, and the combine, if you can't hear the rumble, sounds like a tornado that way. The combine is coming right towards me, so I should probably move. But don't worry, I see it. All right, here she comes, guys. Hear that rumble? It's the rumble of the beast. There she be. In 3, 2, 1, here she comes. Alright guys, got another load of corn right here. We are making great progress out there. We're getting close to having the big part of the field done. We'll see if we can fit it all in the wet bin and the wagon and the truck before we stop. We will not be continuing our dryer session till tomorrow, and then we should be able to finish picking after that. But yeah, let's go. Alright, so the wet bin is full again. I got the whole setup here right here. We just got done with the big long row, 65 acres. We have a small chunk, about 7 acres, getting closer to about 6 acres now because we did take the ends off the back. So we got a little bit left here to do, and I think we might try and see if we can fit it all in what's left in this wagon. There's not much in here right now, and our grain semi, and we'll see what we can do. But yeah, the harvest will continue. Stay tuned. thin spot where there was compaction from a tile repair we made earlier this spring. So this is taking on now. And then just this little bit left right here, and it should all fit into the truck. So yeah. But yes, guys, Harvest 23 is nearing an end. So for those of you that don't know, this ground was a test plot where, well, it was kind of a test plot. It was a 7-acre plot. We had not planted much besides like some wheat, some oats, and some like clovers, some grass stuff on it in a while. And this was a test. We were only doing cultivation and tine weeding on this corn. And I think it worked. I mean, corn's pretty easy to control weeds in, because once that stuff gets tall enough, it'll do the rest pretty much. But yeah, no, this is another thing. This has been a really good harvest. We had a really droughty year. A lot of you guys might not know that. Some of you guys do. We had a really droughty year, especially, I mean, in our part of Iowa here, we were running into some times where we got like almost no rain. But some good timely rains saved this corn and saved our soybeans, and that's what kind of helped them along. I mean, while they could have been better, they were definitely really good for a drought year. Ladies and gentlemen, the last 6 rows of 2023 are about to get eaten up by this monster machine. There I go. Here they are, guys, the final 6 rows of 2023. Alright guys, that's it for Harvest 2023. Thanks for sticking along. That's the end of the growing season. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.